2022 Toyota Camry, front clip. This one is slated for customer pickup. Gentleman's on his way right now with his trailer, ratchet straps, and everything else that he needs to securely transport this one home. We did note this one has a couple issues and some damage on the front cover. We don't hide things, so brought that to his attention. He's okay with it. If you're in the market for a used front clip, all of ours are pretty standard and they all look just about like this. Includes everything you see outside. We'll go under the hood here and you can see what's included. So as you can see, pretty clean in here. This model had, or this particular unit had virtually no miles on it. We leave the AC hoses. Usually find a motor mount or two, depending on how we take it out. Whatever's easiest for our dismantlers. We don't inventory them, so if they're there, they're just freebies. Rad condenser fans. The airbox is inside this plastic bag. Splash shields on the bottom. Rad support, of course. Fuse box. Lots of wiring. All the things you need to do it right. If you have any questions, I can be reached at 800-222-2528. My direct extension's 112. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and pretty much everywhere else. Just look up Jared at Weber Brothers. Thanks for watching.